guys, today we're going to show you on the Abarth how to do the de-wiper. So we've got two different kinds, obviously one that silicone's in and one that bolts in. We're going to show you today the one that bolts in. The one that silicone's in, same sort of procedure, obviously you just silicone that in. So first of all, getting the wiper off, so the rusty old 13mm. Get that on there, it's a 10. Yeah, crack that off. It's probably going to be a long-winded video because you have to sit and watch me do it, but so if these do get jammed, the best way to do it is push down there just so it releases it that way, that's it. And then onto the inside. Okay, so to get access to that, we've got one Allen key, which is that one there, and then just these push clips, so you'll need sort of a trim tool like that or anything to basically get those off. So we'll remove those. So the Allen key one, nice and easy. Just pull that out, it's got a little washer on it so you can't touch the bits, and then it's basically just going around all these. So you get your trim tool behind that and just pull it out. See that? So for the yellow ones. Quite a lot of these. Sell these on our website as well, so obviously if you're ordering one and you need one of those, come in the trim tool kits. Lift that off that, and you'll see there there's two little clips that go, it just hooks onto the metal work basically there, so they just push into the carpet and the metal is that. So you can see they just basically push in. So once you've got them off, all we're going to do is obviously unbolt the wiper motor. Again, three same Allen keys as the other one. There's one there, and obviously electrical connection there. Obviously a little electrical connection there, just pull that. So that's all off. We'll clean up this window here, so I'm just going to clean where the bung is. I'll show you on the other side. So let's push that through. We'll clean all that up and we'll come back to you in a minute. Okay guys, so it's all nice and clean under there, so that's the wiper bung. So it's a bolt in. You've got your big rubber washer to obviously conceal. Another washer on the back of there, so basically that goes in from the outside, this on top, bolt it up. Now it is awkward because obviously two hands would be easier, but I'll try and demonstrate with one. So just pull that down, this is the awkward bit. So you wipe her in as straight as you can sort of see at this point. You've got to try and hold that, which is not the easiest. Get these on. So you rubber first, obviously, to seal the window, and you wash it, which is just going to go inside that little bit there, and then you bolt on. Like I say, that goes there. It is going against rubber, so it shouldn't be too bad. Let's have a look at how we're sitting with that. So there we go, that's completely wrong. So can I turn round? Under it. So you can see that I've got the Allen key in it in the end, and we're just going to spin it round till it's straight, which is there, and then lift that up so you've got your Allen key there, which is holding the middle. So you've basically just got to tighten this bolt. So you don't need to go mad. It's on rubber, obviously inside, but you want it to be nice and tight so it doesn't leak. And obviously not too tight. You'll feel it because it sort of goes solid at that point there. And then hopefully, when we look back here, just a little bit off centre to that way so we can go back. So we need to go that way. Just see if that squidges that round. It doesn't. So back that off again. Just undo that. Get it straight. So open right there. So it's just a trial and error basically until you get that bit straight. And then there we go. Nice new wiper bung. Looks so much cleaner as well without the wiper on there. You can get these on our website www.KillAllChrome.com. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, etc. Loads of Abarth bits on there for your Abarths. Till next time.